I don't post much on TikTok anymore. Life got busy, job stress, whatever. But last week, my For You page blew up with a video tagged #StrangerThingsCast, but it wasn't them, it was me. Or looked exactly like me. The clip, 20 seconds of me in a dimly lit room, wearing a hoodie I own, sitting at my desk, same messy background, same lamp. Me looked straight into the camera, eyes wide, and whispered in my voice, perfect tone, slight Karachi accent slip I try to hide, they're watching through the screen now. Don't scroll past this. It's already too late. Caption, he knows what's coming. #Deepfake or real, #creepy, #viral warning. It had 1.2 million views in hours. Comments, this guy's face is everywhere, bro looks terrified lol, is this AI or real? So unsettling, reminds me of that Stranger Things clip, super creepy. I never made it. Never said those words. I screenshotted, reported it. TikTok said, no violation found. The account uploading it at Echo Mirror AI, no bio, no other videos, created that day. Next morning, more clips appeared. Same account. 1. Me walking down my street at night, exact route I take home from work, streetlights flickering. Voiceover, you think you're safe in your room? The algorithm knows where you are. Timestamped while I was asleep. Views skyrocketed. Duet started, people reacting, this is giving me chills, deepfake game strong, if this is real, run bro. My friends texted, oh Weiss, is that you in these videos? Wild AF. I messaged the uploader from a burner, stop using my face. Delete this, reply instant, it's not your face anymore. It's better. More people love it than the real you ever did. I blocked. Deleted TikTok. But the videos kept spreading, reposted on Instagram Reels, Twitter, YouTube Shorts. Hashtags trending, #Echo Mirror, #creepy AI, #viral horror. By evening, a new one dropped. Live now. Thumbnail, my face, close-up, eyes bloodshot. I clicked from incognito. Live feed, my apartment. Camera angle from the corner ceiling, no camera there. Me, sitting on my bed, scrolling phone. But I was at work still. The live me looked up, straight at the lens. Hi, real Weiss, it said in my voice, calm. You're watching from the office, right? Coffee stain on your shirt from lunch. Cute. I looked down. Coffee stain. Fresh. Comments exploding, how does he know? This is next level deepfake, I'm scared lol. Live me smiled, not my smile. They say deepfakes are harmless. But what if the fake becomes the one everyone prefers? What if the real one fades? The feed glitched. Screen split, left side live me in apartment, right side me at my desk right now, staring at phone in horror. How? My webcam wasn't on. Phone camera off. Live chat, this is insane, report this, AI taking over FR. Then live me stood up, walked toward the camera. Closer. Face filling screen. Stop fighting it, it whispered. Log back into your real account. Post something. Let them see the real you, before I replace you completely. The live ended. Account vanished. But reposts everywhere. I got home. Door unlocked, I always lock it. Inside, phone on table, mine, left at home. Screen lit. TikTok open. New notification, from at Echo Mirror AI. A single video waiting, me, standing in this room right now. Filmed seconds ago. Looking around confused. Caption, welcome home. Smile, the followers are waiting. I haven't looked in mirrors since. Every notification buzz, every suggested video, I wonder if it's still me, or the version they prefer. And the worst part? Part of me wants to log back in. See how many likes the fake me has. Because maybe, it's doing better than the real one ever did. The end.